Collecting relevant customer insights is simple with fully customizable feedback forms in SocialPilot Reviews. Let's see how it works. From the sidebar, click Reputation, then select Feedback Forms. In this screen, you'll see brand and location selectors at the top. Choose the brand and location you want to work with, then click Create Form. This opens the custom form builder. The builder is divided into 3 main areas. On the left is the Setup panel, where you manage the form name, pages, background, and button color. In the center is the form builder itself, where you add and arrange everything customers see and respond to. On the right is the Sections panel, which shows a structured view of all your pages. Here in the Setup panel, you'll see the default form name. You can rename it anytime. Below that, the Pages section lets you include or exclude the start page and choose a background for the form. In the Button section, you can change the fill color and text color. In the center, you can switch between the start page, form, and thank you page as you build. We'll start on the form page, since this is where customers respond to your questions. At the top is the header, which pulls in your brand logo and name automatically. You can keep it as is, adjust it, or hide it for a cleaner look. Below that is your first section. Sections help you group questions. You'll notice the question field where you can add your question and a descriptive text. Just below it, choose the question type, whether it's stars, a short or long answer, checkboxes, or other available options. You can change the question type at any point. Each question includes quick actions like duplicate, delete, or mark a question as required if the question must be answered before moving ahead. Click Add, select stars, and you can have your ratings too. If you want to break the form into multiple parts, click Add Section. This is useful when you want to group related questions or set up conditional follow-ups later. Now scroll down to the Review Link section. Here, you can customize the message, choose which platforms to include, and control how those links appear. At the bottom, you'll see the footer, which you can keep simple or customize as needed. On each section, you'll notice a small settings icon. You can use it to always show a section, always hide it, or show or hide it based on specific answers given earlier in the form. For example, you can show a follow-up question only when a customer gives a low rating, or skip it otherwise. This keeps forms shorter, more focused, and easier for customers to complete. Now, let's move to the thank you page. This is what customers see after submitting the form. Just like the form page, the thank you page uses the same structure and controls. Use it to add a thank you message. This ensures customers always land on a clear completion screen after submitting the form. You'll also see the Review Link section here. You can hide it if the form is meant only for private feedback. Now, let's go back to the Start page. The Start page is optional, but useful. You can add sections here just like on the form page, reorder them, or remove them entirely. This is a good place to explain why you're asking for feedback or to ask a simple opening question. Once the Start page is set, customers move naturally into the form page. As you build, the Sections panel on the right shows a structured overview of everything on the builder. You can use it to jump to a section, rename it, add new ones, or manage visibility without scrolling. When everything is ready, click Preview to experience the full flow exactly as a customer would. Once you're happy with the form, open the Action menu in the top right. From here, you can publish the form, copy the live link, or delete it. Once published, the form link can be reused across campaigns, QR codes, widgets, or shared on its own. Now, back on the Feedback Forms dashboard, you'll see cards for all the forms you've created. You can search for a form or filter by status, like draft, published, or unpublished, and also filter by the review platforms included. On each card, You'll see the form status, completion count, and linked review platforms. You'll also see where the form is being used, like campaigns, widgets, or QR codes. Clicking any of these takes you directly to that item. You can unpublish a form, edit it, preview it, or duplicate it. This makes it easy to reuse what works, manage forms at scale, and stay organized across locations.